Everything starts with grabbing attention, because it doesn't matter how awesome your videos are if your thumbnails don't entice to click in the first place. Did you know that most people decide to subscribe to a channel after visiting the homepage? Making your channel art look awesome helps turning those viewers into subscribers. It's no secret that videos with cool graphics and animations are more engaging, which lead to higher retention rates. Well, guess what? YouTube algorithm rewards videos with high retention by showing them up more frequently in search and suggested videos. Want to keep viewers engaged with your content and coming back for more? End screens are the best way. Remind them to subscribe, send them to watch more of your videos, and much more. Unfortunately, creating high-quality graphics and animations for your channels and video branding just isn't that easy. You can spend hours in front of your computer trying to figure out how to do it yourself. Generic graphics tools and kits, some are cool, but they usually leave you halfway, and getting everything separately can get quite costly. What about paying someone else to do it for you? Sounds good, but look at the prices. Not to mention how hard it is to find good, reliable freelancers. There is a better solution. Introducing Kickass Tuber, the world's first all-in-one YouTube graphics and video branding platform, with hundreds of done-for-you graphic templates in hot niches, including every YouTube graphic you'll ever need. A powerful yet easy-to-use graphics editor? Just click a template, edit in minutes, and download ready-to-use amazing graphics for your channel and videos. 24/7 access to our library with hundreds of exclusive premium quality motion graphics like transitions, backgrounds, FX, and much more. Sounds good? Well, there's more. What if I tell you that you can also add a new powerful revenue stream to your business? Now, with the commercial license, you can offer a very needed, highly in-demand service to a hungry market and charge these or higher amounts over and over for something that takes you literally minutes to create. With Kickass Tuber, you don't even need to create videos to profit from the YouTube craze. Congratulations, because this time you are in the right moment, at the right place. Just hit the buy button below to get started. It's time to make it big with Kickass Tuber.